Hello everyone, it's back to school time and buying a good laptop has become more relevant. Today we'll review HP Victus gaming laptop that goes for sale at $600 price tag. Hit the like button and let's start. The laptop came in this clean designed box. In the box we have manual, 150 watt charger with AC cable, and the laptop itself. First impressions are good. The laptop has a simple dark grey design. Without knowing, don't really say it's a gaming laptop. The case is made of plastic, which is usual for this price segment. The whole case has a matte finish and the Victus logo on top is glossy finish. Overall, I can feel that the materials are high quality. The laptop weighs around 5 pounds. And here's the size next to college notebook. Pretty portable, I was able to fit it easily in the smallest backpack I found. All ports are located on the sides and the whole back and bottom sides are given over to the cooling openings. Port configuration is good. On the right side it has USB Type-C, USB 3.2, Ethernet and HDMI ports. On the left side there is a power port, USB 3.2, 3.5mm jack and even an SD card reader. Laptop can be opened with one hand, which also proves good build quality. Out of the box we have Windows 11 Home installed, which will take some time to set up and update. Great screen for a budget laptop. It's a 15.6-inch IPS screen with 1080p resolution and 144Hz frequency. The image looks smooth and vibrant, although it can be brighter. The viewing angle is great. I like the keyboard quality. It's a full-size keyboard with a strict design and a wide backlight that is not adjustable. Touchpad quality is just enough for some browsing, but in most cases buying a mouse would be more convenient. 720p webcam and built-in microphone with noise reduction are good for meetings and even for light streaming. We have dual speakers and dynamic sound here, and I'll add a quick sound test at the end of this video. Moving forward, it sounds pretty good. The laptop has a free cell battery that can last for about 5 hours with the laptop in active use. It also has HP fast charging that can charge from 0 to 50% just in around 40 minutes. I got the similar results. Let's go through the hardware specs now. The laptop runs on the 12th generation Intel i5-12450H in pair with NVIDIA GTX 1650. CPU has 8 cores and 12 threads with the clock up to 4.4 GHz. Also it has Intel graphics, which is running a Windows system for better battery performance. This CPU can handle any study office task and in pair with GTX 1650 will not disappoint in games also. The laptop has 8GB DDR4 RAM on 3200 MHz frequency and 512GB SSD, which is optimal for system performance and games, although both of these can be upgraded. RAM is installed by one plate and you can add another plate to have 16GB in dual channel, and storage can be upgraded by switching to more capacity SSD. Let's move to the tests now. I set the laptop in performance mode with the charger connected. Fan speed is set to auto. There is an option to set fans on max speed, but this doesn't make sense in our case. Auto mode is doing the same in games we test. The third game on test is CSGO, and here with 1080p low settings, getting 120 to 140 FPS. CPU temperature stays around 80 degrees and we have straight frame time graph also. Next game Apex Legends, and here on 1080p low settings, getting 75 to 100 FPS, depends on location. The CPU temperature is also around 80 degrees here. In Elden Ring on medium settings, getting 45 FPS with a straight frame time graph. Spider-Man Remastered on medium-low settings, getting around 40 FPS while swinging and 50 FPS in fights. If you play with the settings a little bit, you can get a stable 55 FPS also. If you play games without a charger on battery power, it will automatically log 30 FPS in games, and in that case the temperature stays around 55 degrees. Here's an example. Right now, charger connected. I'm disconnecting the charger and the frame rate drops to 30 FPS. Please note that the laptop should stay on a hard surface to effectively cool the hardware inside, otherwise you will face overheating problems pretty soon, and that applies not only to this laptop but to all gaming laptops, or better to say laptops with active cooling. Here's a simple test. I put my laptop on top of the carpet mat and you can already see that the temperature is increased. We are hitting 96 degrees. Before the temperature max was only 86. In the end, it's a good budget laptop with great great build quality and performance for the price that can handle any of your work and hobbies, and it has some upgrade potential also. Finishing up, thank you very much for watching this video. Let me know what you think about this laptop in the comments and subscribe to this channel to see more tech content like this.